Hiring professional and trustworthy drone pilots is tough. Do they have the right pilot certification, aircraft type, insurance, or experience for your project? Are they located nearby and willing to travel? If you're a company that trains your own pilots, there can be other challenges. But now, there's a new and better solution that makes hiring qualified drone pilots across the country painless. My name's Alec, and I'm the president of Coastal Drone and a co-founder of the RPN, Canada's first national remote pilot network. Born out of demand from our clients, the RPN helps companies collect high-quality aerial imagery using qualified pilots and state-of-the-art cloud-based processing technology. From our network of over 10,000 drone pilots, we have selected professional pilots from coast to coast so you can rest assured your project will be flown successfully. Here's how it works. Head over to the remotepilotnetwork.ca, find the industry from which you want aerial imagery, and submit a project. A member of the team will reach out to confirm details and pricing. Once details are confirmed, we will dispatch an RPN pilot to your project using our proprietary software. The pilot will fly using mostly autonomous flight plans designed specifically for your project. Within a few days of submitting, you will receive your requested aerial data in a variety of formats, all accessible in the cloud and easily shareable between your teams. If your organization needs to collect aerial imagery at scale, then the RPN is for you. We're now onboarding new customers, so please head over to www.remotepilotnetwork.ca and submit your project. Welcome to the RPN, where you can hire trusted and vetted pilots to produce high-quality aerial imagery at scale.